If you want to find a company with the best quality wigs and the most competitive prices, then I think I found the one for you. This video is sponsored by ELFIN HAIR. We're going to be installing a wig. I am very excited for the color that I'm going to put on because it's actually one of my favorite color wigs to put on. So this is the box. Cute, very girly. Y'all probably wondering what color it is. When you open it, of course, they give you a edge brush. I'm not gonna show you the color now, but I'm gonna show y'all everything that comes in it. Jesus. You get lashes, a wig cap, which I will be using, ELFIN hair, hairband. They give you an instruction card and another card showing all their products and sending you a note says thanks for choosing ELFIN hair. They also give you a chance to win free hair, so y'all can get on that. This is really cool. On top of that, they also give you a refund policy, guys. Most hair companies do not do that, which, you know, you be having to tug and tussle when it comes to, listen, I don't want the wig no more, like, send it back. A lot of companies make it really hard for you to return it, so this is good that they have a return policy. Let's get into the wig color now. It is a red burgundy wig. Straight out the box, the hair feels pretty soft, and it's summertime, so it's a short wig. The hairline needs a little bit more plucking. I'm going to install this. Do not worry how I'm gonna put all my hair in this wig. You don't worry about that. Don't you worry.